I got really scared. Kasi I think anytime now they will parang break this door and just take me away.
Guys, let me break this lang ah. Kakatimbre lang ng timbre lang ng mga media friends sa labas. Lockdown ng HOR, ayaw magpapasok ng media.
Anong country is this ba? I am just a regular government employee. All these years. Nagtatrabaho lang naman po ako. They don't even respect your rights. I do not understand. What kind of country is this? I'm so scared because I'm sure they're going to break that door anytime now. Alam nyo, ginawa ko, tilagay ko yung katre, yung double deck na bed, pinush ko sa door para hindi sila makapasok. I'm so scared. I came back from the US. I attended that hearing in good faith.